Hello, everyone. Welcome to our session. My name is Melissa. I'm the immigration lead for TechNL, and I will be talking about the tech sector, of course, in our province. That's why you are here, I guess. So let's start. So first, a bit about us. TechNL is a nonprofit. We are representing the technology and the innovation sector here in our province for over 30 years now. And our team is there to bridge the gap. So the tech sector is fast growing, and we are going to need more and more people to fill this position. So our goal is to attract and retain highly skilled workers and to connect job seekers with employers when there is job opportunities for our members. Here you can see some of our members. There are quite a few. We have, in our province, we have over 100 pure tech companies. As I mentioned, this is a fast-growing sector. 85% of the companies that I mentioned were locally funded. Just to give you an idea, the medium wage for a software developer here is around 73K Canadian dollar. And our companies here had some success. They have success here. So here is here are some examples from 2021. So just 2 years ago, 3 years ago, not that long ago. And you can see Collab, Misa, or Swiftsure that were able to raise millions of dollars. We are also proud that we had the biggest deal in our province, the biggest deal in North America. NASDAQ bought Verafin for $2.75 billion US dollar. Verafin is a company in cybersecurity. And more recently, just this year, actually, two of the companies, Spellbook and Trophy AI, raises like millions. Spellbook raises 10 million and Trophy AI is 3 million. So it's a great future for these companies and our province as well, with a lot of hiring and success stories to come. More to come for sure. Oh, sorry. So the skills in demand, we have non-technical job. It's not just technical. We have non-technical position as well. We need people that will have skills in sales and marketing, business development, customer success, executive staff, but that also have technical skills. So these are non-technical positions, but yeah, it would be great. Like you will be our top priority if you have technical skills as well that you can use for your position in sales and marketing or business development, customer success. And of course, we have also like technical position like data scientists, engineers, software developers, and game developers as well. We need some here. And where you can find the job position. So of course you will see them on Indeed, Caribbean, or LinkedIn, the most common. But we also have a job board. So if you go to our website, www.technl.ca, We have a job board where we post all the job opportunities from our members. Well, most of them, not all of them. It's hard to to have every job offer. But it can give you a good idea for sure of the kind of position that are available right now in our province. And for example, here, this is a snapshot from September 2023. So you can see the kind of position that companies were hiring for. We have IT manager, software developer, but also marketing, designer, product designer, graphic artist. Here in our province, what we offer, this is what we can offer as a province. So the home ownership is still affordable. We have beautiful ocean views. The short commute, so it's very accessible. Like everything is accessible within 15 minutes, which is great. Like we don't have any traffic, and the outdoor is amazing. It's beautiful. It's breathtaking. If you like hiking, we have a lot of hiking trails available around the city, but in the province overall, like in the west coast or in the central region. It's a beautiful province, and we also have a collaborative community. So now I want to show you a video so that you can see what it looks like, the tech sector, but you will also see some of the beautiful views that we have here in our province. So let's watch.
Where does innovation find its spark? Here, it's in the knowledge, skills, and the innate creativity of its people. There's a rare quality to this rocky land at the edge of North America, and it's calling. Inspiring passion, community, and ingenuity in each other. It's the perfect recipe for innovation. Newfoundland and Labrador is in the midst of a technological leap forward. From a spirited past comes an ambitious future, powered by innovation and bright minds. Each discovery fueled by hard work and curiosity. At your fingertips, a sprawling playground awaits, where the forces of nature and creativity collide. In an endless swell of potential, where will you find your spark?
So I hope you liked it, and please feel free to join us in our booth and ask us some questions. And as I mentioned, if you have, maybe I forgot to mention it, but yeah, we are looking for specific skills. Like if you have C# or C++, and if you have skills as a game developer, like please come to talk to us in our booth. We would be happy to talk to you. Yeah, we hope to see you there. Thank you. Megan will be with me, Megan Daubin, and I will be there to talk to you. Thank you.